It's a busy day at the shop. So, a lot has happened since I made a video last. The best thing that's happened is that we've gotten a new customer. What I think is going to be a really good customer. They are a customer for which we will be doing a lot of prototyping in the future, I hope. Hold on, Lily. I can't tell you who they are or what they make because there's not a whole lot of companies that make this particular product. But needless to say that every time they sell a product, it has to be built, or the pieces have to be built by a machine shop. So they were kind of a referral from another company, and they emailed us an RFQ. They liked our prices. They sent us a purchase order. And then they proceeded to send us a bunch more RFQs and offer us a lot more work than we can handle, in fact, with just this one Matsuura. So I am cutting parts as we speak, and we might be moving a new machine into the shop in the coming weeks to meet this new customer's needs and hopefully more future customers. Let's look at our first part. These parts are very tiny. A lot of small machining. This is 6061. Yeah, they needed one of these. So you can imagine the pricing reflects the lack of quantity. So yeah, this is the first of 13 or 14 unique parts that we have to machine on the mill in the coming months. So that's a lot of programming, a lot of fixturing, and not all of them are this simple. This is actually probably one of the most simple parts that they have. Some of them are definitely 5-axis parts or 4-axis parts. So, you're hungry? Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Hot dogs.
Where are we going to find a hot dog?
In the refrigerator.
Where's the refrigerator?
Right there.
I don't think there's any hot dogs in that fridge back there, Lily. This is complete. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is our second part for that company, for our new customer. The surface finish on these is a 32 RA surface finish. It's actually really smooth. And those probably the first, this is a reject part. The little nick right there. But that's probably the most challenging thing about doing this particular job is the surface finish has to be impeccable on everything. And tolerances are holding pretty well. The old Matsuura is doing a pretty good job of holding tolerances well within spec. Let's check this right here real quick. Let's see here. I'm gonna set my camera up. Let's see. Can't really see that well. I need a better camera setup. This piece of Mike 6 plate is going to be our vacuum table. Stuff is really flat and really shiny. Let's see here if we can get a better mount going for. I'll just have to do it like this. You see that? 1.80. .80. Check it back here. 1.785. What does that mean? 1.77. That's actually pretty far out. 1.80. That means our part wasn't perfectly square. Let's check that again. Yeah, now it's saying we're only 5/10 out. It's really not too bad for a 40-year-old machine. Well, it's not 40. It says built in '79. Means it's 36 years old. This is not a reject part. Surface is very smooth. There she is. That's what she's supposed to be. Good job, Matsura. Good job.